The Wireless HDMI Adapter 4K WF-100 enables a seamless switch to a larger screen with its impressive 1080p high-definition output, making it perfect for sharing high-quality audio and video content with friends and family. Its compact design and wide compatibility make it highly portable and ideal for outdoor business presentations, supporting a variety of HDMI output devices like laptops, PCs, Blu-ray players, cameras, DVDs, and tablets. Enjoy a hassle-free setup with the true plug-and-play functionality of the Wireless HDMI Adapter 4K WF-100, which does not require any apps, Bluetooth, or Wi-Fi, and supports privacy mode and one-click disconnection. The adapter ensures stable transmission and high-quality video decoding thanks to its 2.45 GHz dual-frequency high-speed antennas, offering a transmission range of up to 16 feet with an impressively low latency of just 0.1 seconds. This device is versatile for various settings, including conference rooms, home entertainment, and multimedia education, enhancing your viewing experience with easy switching between landscape and portrait orientations. However, it is important to note that the adapter is not compatible with certain paid applications that use HDCP video copyright protection, such as Netflix, Amazon Prime Videos, Hulu, and others.